Okay, we started this problem and we got a little ways into it in the last video, but now we need to finish it. The last thing that we did was we chose a 5 in this region in here, and we said 5 plus 5 is a positive number, 5 minus 2 is a positive number, and negative 5 plus 23 is a positive number. Now a positive divided by a positive is positive. So now we're ready to try something over here. Let's say maybe 25. 25 plus 5 is a positive number. 25 minus 2 is a positive number. And negative 25 plus 23 is a negative number. So we're going to take a negative divided by a positive, which would be a negative number. Okay, let's look back to see which one of these sections will fit in our answer. Remember, we're looking for things that are less than or equal to 0. So less than or equal to 0 would be the negative numbers. So it would be this segment in here and then this section over here. So we would have negative 5 to 2. Now we need to decide, are these going to be brackets or parentheses? Well, we do have equality, so normally they would be brackets. But let's look at the number negative 5. If I plug a negative 5 in here, that causes a 0 denominator. So we can't actually use negative 5. That's just a parenthesis. Now what about the 2? Again, normally we would be using brackets because of the equality. But if we put a 2 here in the denominator, that again causes a 0 denominator. So the 2 gets a parenthesis also. Joined with. Now this section over in here we would read as 23 over to infinity. Now I know about infinity, it always gets a parenthesis. But what about the 23? Well, it should get a bracket, and it does not create a 0 denominator, so it does in fact get a bracket. So our final answer would be everything from negative 5 to 2, and then also 23, including 23, over to infinity.